How to cancel Venmo transaction. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is me Pipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you through how you can cancel your Venmo transaction. Now first thing what you'll have to know is the payments on Venmo generally can't be cancelled once they have reached the recipient's account. Now if you send someone the payment and the transaction is already completed, or it's already completed, now here you won't be able to get it back or cancel the payment. Now if you send a payment to someone you know by accident, you can send that person a charge request for the same amount so that they can pay you back. That is, however, you can't get it back by canceling it. However, if there is a payment that you try to make the transaction and then it is in question and it's not been completed and it's on hold, what you can do is you can open up your application, go to the Me tab by tapping on your picture or the initials, and then find the transaction at the top of your transaction feed. Once there, you'll have to tap on the transaction and open up the transaction under the question, and then simply tap on take back option to take it back and cancel the transaction. So this way you can cancel the Venmo transaction. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.